This is the peanut butter. We're having, and he's gonna run away into the darkness. And she's gonna run away into the darkness. Oh, right there.
Oh, hold on. That's no fun. We
Oh,
gotta do it this
God.
You just put it.
Oh. Oh, God. She just.
And how is Rosie? Done. And how is little girl? Poor little girl. And if I do record your face, I can just put an annotation in front of it. You know, like one of those pop-up messages.
Look at her.
It's by your sock.
Oh.
She's still licking her face. And Iwaka is the last one. And she's still enjoying it. And Rosie was, like, probably second. But Shadow ran off, so we don't know. And Shadow is stealing her fork.
Yeah, it just got stuck to the rim of her mouth. I don't know if she can get it off.
I don't know.
Can you get it off?
That helped a little.
There we go. It's actually stuck to her.
She's getting it.
It's stuck to her. Oh.
Rosie.
Just try a smaller piece. There you go. Try that.
They're looking for more. The spoon has been left on the ground. And she's still working it. And she's staring at the peanut butter while she's eating the peanut butter. I mean, look at her. She's staring at the peanut butter while she's eating the peanut butter. Oh, she's staring at the marshmallows.
Okay.
Marshmallows. Are you going to say bye-bye?
Look right here on my hand. Yeah, you
Or step
put your
on
hand
it. Do you want to say bye-bye? Bye!